I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the camera shake on Rocket League. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the process is very easy. All you need to do is go to Rocket League. In my case, I'm in a game already, and you need to open the settings, and on camera you will see this option to enable the camera shake. So this will obviously enable the screen camera shakes effects. So now when you hit the ball, as you can see, it does like a camera shake effect, and the same thing on goal explosions and similar stuff. But in my opinion, that is kind of annoying and it doesn't let you focus on the game. So I highly recommend you to disable it. So to disable, you just need to follow the same process. All you need to do is open the settings and click this checkbox right here. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.